Hey guys, I guess you've got Netflix has canceled its free trial. So you can't enjoy Netflix for free unless you pay a monthly fee to subscribe to it. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix without a penny and another way to enjoy freeware Netflix videos forever. To begin with, the Netflix on US promotion offered by T-Mobile is a great option to get Netflix for free. Follow the steps to get the basic and standard plans for Netflix. Search and open the T-Mobile website where you can check if the T-Mobile plan is available in your region. If it is, simply follow the steps here to get a free Netflix subscription. You may be unhappy since both the two plans have device limitations, and of course you can't watch downloaded videos anymore after the free trial ends. So the next professional tool is probably your best choice to get free Netflix videos without any restrictions. MovPilot All-in-One Video Downloader is a powerful tool to rip all Netflix videos as common 1080p MP4 and MKV files. So you can keep the downloads forever on your device and enjoy them offline at any time. Want to get a try? Simply click the link here to get the downloader freely and follow me to see how it works. First, open the MovPilot All-in-One Video Downloader and sign into your Netflix account. Then, search for the Netflix video you want to download, either by its title or the URL. When the video is found, tap the button here to decide the output settings, like setting the MP4 or MKV as the video format, keeping the original video quality and multi-language subtitles and audio. Then you can enjoy the same viewing experience as Netflix. If you want to download a series of episodes, check off the episodes you want to download at once, and MovPilot will batch download them at 5 times faster speeds. Once the download is done, you can find your videos here and enjoy them for free on any device, anytime. With MovPilot, immersive enjoying Netflix videos for free without any worries. I really hope this video is helpful for you to watch Netflix videos for free. Hit the download and try MovPilot right now.